Hi everyone, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. While other firms are reducing versions and also byproducts, Hyundai is among minority automakers that maintains increasing its efficiency automobile range. The South Korean producer has a family of economical N-branded go-fast versions, consisting of the Elantra N, which is a correct sporting activities car. There isn't a solitary two-door car because family members, though. Anything can be taken care of in a digitally attracted word, nevertheless. Our chums at Kolza.ru tried to visualize what a two-door Elantra N sports car might resemble, and also their renderings are illustrated in the gallery listed below. Mind you, this isn't simply an Elantra N with two less doors, it includes other distinct style touches. At the front, as an example, the headlights are substantially different contrasted to the actual sporting activities car. To a certain level, these makings propose a layout that is similar to Kolisa's facelift variation of the Elantra with a stereo-inspired coast-to-coast LED strip under the bonnet. The very same treatment can be seen at the back as well, with thinner taillights versus the Elantra N's edgy clusters. We aren't going to lie to you, though we haven't listened to anything from Hyundai pertaining to a possible two-door Elantra N, and we doubt it is on the brand name schedule for the future. In the meantime, it will certainly continue to be simply fiction, but that most likely permits us to hypothesize a little regarding what is powering this Elantra N Coupe. Naturally, the company's 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder mill sounds like the most sensible choice right here. In the Veloster N and also Kona N, it produces 276 horsepower, 206 kilowatts under typical conditions, and 286 horsepower, 213 kilowatts for short bursts in overboost setting. In the best scenario, the power would certainly be provided to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission, making this vehicle a real unicorn. The next best thing to an Elantra N Coupe should be the existing Elantra N. It has a starting price of $32,925 with destination included for the 2022 model year. Thank you for watching. See you in our other videos.